Hello and welcome to What's That Thing? My name is Whitney and today we are looking at a Santa's Workshop word search. Help me find this list of words about Santa's Workshop. Look for the Happy Santa to help you find the words. You'll have 15 seconds to look for each word. If you need more time, just pause the video until you're ready to move on. Ready? Let's go! The first word we're looking for is elves, E-L-V-E-S. Elves, E-L-V-E-S. The next word we're looking for is reindeer, R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. Reindeer, R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. The next word is toys, T-O-Y-S. Toys, T-O-Y-S. The next word is snow, S-N-O-W. Snow, S-N-O-W. The next word is sled, S-L-E-D. Sled, S-L-E-D. Next is cookies, C-O-O-K-I-E-S. Cookies, C-O-O-K-I-E-S. And of course, now we look for milk, M-I-L-K. Milk, M-I-L-K. Next is hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R. Now we need nails, N-A-I-L-S. Nails, N-A-I-L-S. Of course, we'll need some wood, W-O-O-D. W-O-O-D. How about some magic, M-A-G-I-C. Magic, M-A-G-I-C. Of course, we're going to see Santa at the workshop, S-A-N-T-A. S-A-N-T-A. Now let's look for wishes, W-I-S-H-E-S. Wishes, W-I-S-H-E-S. Next is list, L-I-S-T. List, L-I-S-T. The next word is naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Now let's look for nice, N-I-C-E. N-I-C-E. Next is the word joy, J-O-Y. J-O-Y. We're going to have fun with our new toys, F-U-N. F-U-N. Next, we're looking for build, B-U-I-L-D. Build, B-U-I-L-D. The elves sure are keeping busy building toys, B-U-S-Y. Busy, B-U-S-Y. Next, let's look for the word gift, G-I-F-T. Gift, G-I-F-T. We will need some wrapping paper, W-R-A-P-P-I-N-G. Wrapping, W-R-A-P-P-I-N-G. And some bows, B-O-W-S. B-O-W-S. Next is wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R. And last is sparkle, S-P-A-R-K-L-E. Sparkle, S-P-A-R-K-L-E. Thank you for helping me with this word search. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You help the channel grow. See you next time, and please click to subscribe.